that slept, the one that slept 8.
Yeah.
It was a 2-night minimum. I'ma see if we could do 2 nights. I could do 2 nights, and one of y'all do 2 nights. Like, continuous. How much is that? I don't know. That'd probably be the same price. Like 2 something a night.
For 4 nights. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. Well, not Sunday.
Not Sunday.
Sunday night. So our last day would be Sunday, like Sunday morning. We just chill out during the day.
So y'all racing for 5 stacks?
5 stacks?
Evo versus DTR, 5 stacks? That's what I'm hearing.
20, nigga.
20 stacks? 20 stacks? You down for that?
Nigga.
Pink, you down for that?
Bless your house.
His GTR over his red Evo. I mean white Evo right there. Yeah, man, that's it. That one?
Yeah. Hold on. You gotta be forced induction. You ain't gonna be able to fucking run that.
I know, but this one has a big ass turbo. That one has a big ass turbo.
You gotta have a build motor. So.
Yeah, but
all that body.
That shit's fast, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fast. I mean, with that because the thing is, I mean, this one has a big ass engine though. This one over there, that GT3 is nice as fuck too. That's what I'm saying. Like, yo, if I put like a crazy ass engine, yo, somebody was telling me to put a 2JZ in the Fox, but I was like, get the fuck out of here.
You can do that too. They'll be fast as shit.
But that 2J, I know, bitch. And I gotta keep that shit.
Super unexpected.
Yeah.
You ain't like, yeah, nobody's gonna expect that shit. 2JZ, big ass turbo. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like, yo, I'll just be disrespectful as fuck get a 2JZ in that shit.
But dudes do it. If you don't care about what people think and you just want to go fast,
yeah,
people do it.
Nah, but I'm into that fucking muscle sound, like, you know, just get it cammed and everything.
Yeah. But you can get a cam. But you can overcam your motor too, man. You gotta make sure it's right. Cause you can overcam the shit out of something, and it don't run right, you know.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But I'm not gonna go too hard on the cam. I just want, you know, just to sound nice, you know.
They got
just
the
like
alphabet cam. That's what I got. They got the E, V, F, and X. But the X cam, you gotta have valve clearance with your pistons. Yeah. Because that cam is pretty big.
Yeah, I know. I read everything.
And then they got comp cams. You know what I'm saying? They got stroker motor cams. They got a lot of different shit. I just bought a cam for my LS motor, turbo cam, stage 2. Fucking exhaust coming out of the fucking fender. Blowing out of the fender. A lot of dudes say it's gonna be loud, but I don't know.
That's what I was telling him to do.
I'm like, we'll see. You could do that. Go the fuck out.
Right, he's white. Black people always wear dark clothes. Black people always wear dark clothes. Look, you got blue jeans. They're blue, right? You never see that. They got dark clothes on.
that shit's fat.
Shit runs out though.
What?
I saw her rolling on me. You wasn't that fucking
I'm going.
Somebody fucking me.
I know. I got my train will be here in like 2 weeks.
That shit was loud. The evil one. Evil one, I told you. Cause after the cam taking and all that bullshit, ooh, the evil left that shit. Huh?
I wouldn't know. I was like the last one.
I took a video of that shit. I was right there. I got the Mustang. I was like, whoop, that right in front of me. Like, that shit, yo, that shit when the fucking evil launching the two-step kick in, yo, my ears were fucking went numb. Now you see it. I'm like, I'm about to go with that.